All right, so for number 7, it's the same thing. We have my equation that is in y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So I know the parts already. So I know that my slope m should be right there. If I only see a minus, that means that there's an invisible 1, so that's going to be negative 1. My x is next to the x, so it's a 4. And my y is next to the y, so it would be a 1. So right here, my point that I'm going to start with is 4, comma 1. Okay? So I'm going to graph that point first. 4, 1. So here's 4 and 1. That's the point I'm going to start with. After that, I'm going to take my slope. And remember, rise over run. So I have to put it in fraction form. So negative 1 and fraction over 1 because it's a whole. So this would be my rise, which means I'm going to go down. And my run, which means I'm going to go to the right. This I say down because there's a negative. So that's why down. And this one's positive. So from there, I'm going to go down 1 to the right 1. And there's going to be a point. And I'm going to stop because I only need my x and y intercepts. It already touched the x. So I'm going to go reverse to see the y. Up 1 to the left 1. Okay? Up 1 to the left 1. Up 1 to the left 1. Up 1 to the left 1. And there, it crossed both the x and the y. I'm going to do my line. And I can clearly see visually where they intercepted. So intercepted the x-axis at 5. So that point would be 5, 0, and this is my x-intercept. It intercepted the y exactly here at 5. So it would be 0, 5 for my y-intercept. And that is my answer.